Good morning to each and everyone, especially to our professor, Sir Abdul Malik Manalao. I am Hershey Shane Karil Silauron, and I am the assigned reporter in 1.10. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about the two temporal dimensions of language by a Swiss linguist, Ferdinand Saussure, namely synchronic and diachronic. Synchronic and diachronic will be our words of the day, or WOTD. As you can see, we have the Venn diagram there for their differences and similarities. Let's first talk about their differences. The first one is synchronic. It is the study of language at given point in time. Well, synchronic, it comes from the Greek word syn, means together, and chronos means time. It was stated in the module that it is a comparison of language or dialects, various spoken differences of the same language used within some defined spatial region and during the same period of time. In short, it is the study of language at a particular period of time, or it is the study of how language is spoken by a specific speech community at a particular point of time. If the study is in the present, then it should only be in the present without attaching the study into the past. The second one does not focus on the history of language and language evolution. For example of it is the studying the Old English word. Old English pertains to a specific time, therefore it belongs to the study of synchronic. And the third one is the norms of language. So synchronic investigates the norms of language at a particular time and doesn't discuss or analyze certain changes of the language over time. For example, many United States people say pop rather than soda, idea rather than ideal. So as you can see, they are only studying the specific speech of a community at a specific time or a particular time. So that is synchronic linguistics. And now let's move on to diachronic linguistics. So the first one is it is an historical linguistics. So diachronic, it came from the Greek word dia, means true, and chronos means time. It is also called historical linguistics as it is the study of a language through different periods in history. The word history there is necessary for diachronic because we are studying the historical development of language through different periods of time, from the past to present. And then the second one, it is history of language and language evolution. Since we are studying the past and the present, we are looking for the word changes, how the language changes and evolves. For example, is the studies of Old English to Middle English to Modern English. These three periods of time, we are looking for the relationship and how do the different features of language, including phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, and pragmatics, has changed over time. So for their similarities, I have only one there, which is both necessary in studying language. It is said that the analysis of language as a single point in time, which is called synchronic linguistics, usually precedes diachronic linguistics. So we need to do a synchronic analysis before a diachronic analysis. To sum it up, let's remember that diachronic talks about language evolution, or it is a study of language from past to present or vice versa, while synchronic, it pertains to a snapshot of a language at a particular period of time. Or let's say, diachronic is like a movie. There is always a beginning, middle, and end, while synchronic is a frame of film. There is a specific cut of that movie. So that's the end of my report. So, thank you.